uncontrollable. The old round canopies that everyone is used to had really very little direction control. These are amazing.
Terrific, and we can see our national flag is now unfurled. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you may care to consider removing. Warm round of applause is deserving here for Rodney Benson as our national flag descends onto...
Climbing in this fabulous machine, the Fitz Super Stinker. Chris, all the way from Adelaide, a very accomplished national championship aerobatic pilot, demonstrating what aerobatics are all about. Fabulous machine here, recently repainted, metallic finish, and gosh, it shows. Look at the colours on those aeroplanes. Just holding on the propeller there, tumbling back through its own smoke. Looks out of control, totally in control.
He has over 5,000 hours flying. The roulettes are now pulling up for the wedge, loop and fly pass. Roulette leader today is Squadron Leader Steve Baker. Squadron Leader Steve Baker joined the F1,000 kilometres an hour for the roulette wheel.
Go.
As the secret pair depart Crowd Centre, they come from various operational backgrounds including rotary wing, tactical airlift and maritime and fighter aircraft. Since 1990, the roulettes have flown the Swiss-designed, Australian-built their first routines in the 1970s. It was the manoeuvre that gave the team its name, and it resembles the gambling table's whirling wheel. As he approaches the top, he'll momentarily place his aircraft into uncontrolled flight. Now into the spin.
Everything from piston engine aircraft through to jets, as well as biplane aircraft of the vintage variety. Mark has proven his skill as an aerobatic pilot. He's been an unlimited champion many times in Great Britain, and he recently, in recent years, won the national title in 2005. He was in the top 10 of the World Championships.
Coming back up the vertical now.